what's up? It is Brandy Chanel, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from makeup to hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. Alright guys, this is literally going to be super quick. I always say that in a video and it doesn't end up being quick, but I literally have 3 super cute headbands to show you guys. I picked them up today from Target. I have been looking and researching these super cute headbands. They're like the puffy headbands. They give me Renaissance vibes. They give me Princess Crown vibes. They give me the Queen vibes. They also give me like Disney princess vibes. I don't know. Let me get into it. I'm going to show you guys from not least to favorite, but just like plain to like over the top. So this one is the first one. It's a black puffy headband from A New Day. The brand, it's a Target brand called A New Day. This one was $10. It is a kind of, it's not a t-shirt or cotton material, but it's a kind of a plush material. It's maybe about an inch thick, or a little, maybe half an inch to an inch thick. So it's not super big because over the top, but this one is just puffy enough to give you a puffy effect. But should the trend go out of style, I'm still gonna be wearing it because it doesn't look too puffy. So this is what it looks like on my nice little wig. And if you guys want to know where I got this unit, I will leave an iCard above of the unit and how I dyed it. So yes, this is the first one. Again, $10. It's comfortable. I've worn it on my natural hair. Again, I've worn it on this wig, and since I just had them today, they haven't given me a headache because I wore one of them for maybe like 30 minutes or so. And usually I get headaches pretty easily if the headband's too tight. And since I have this wig on and the headband, I haven't had a headache yet. So, all right, on to the next one. This one really gives me Renaissance vibes, and this is also from A New Day. I could not find this one online, but I'll include on my blog a similar one, but the one that's similar has those little combs under here, which does not work for natural hair, girl. So if I can find something similar to this, I will put it online. But this one is gorgeous. It is that like a braided material. It's kind of a silky material. I imagine it could possibly get dirty quick. It's a light pink. I'm not sure if it's showing up light pink on camera, but it's a pretty light pink. Again, it's probably about 1.5 inches high. Absolutely gorgeous. It's definitely giving me Renaissance vibes. I feel like I should be like, yes, my lord. Okay, my lord. Good day, my lord. But I love it because I feel like it can jazz up any outfit. You can just be wearing a t-shirt and jeans, but then you have a fancy headband on. It makes you look a little classy, you know, adds a little class to your outfit. Last but not least is my absolute favorite, and I got this from the little girl section, okay? No shame in my game. I was nervous. I saw it online, and I was like, I have to go to the store to try it on because usually little girl headbands are just absolutely too small because guess what? They're for a child. This was only $6. And if I didn't mention, the other one was $10. This one was $6. I have looked everywhere on Amazon, Shein. All of them have like these bedazzled, bejeweled headbands, but they were like 12 and some of them were 20, and I was like, girl, I'm not paying that much for that headband, okay? So this one, again, is from the More Than Magic little girls section. Again, $6. It looks like some of it is a little, if you look at it really close, some of the workmanship is not the best, but girl, it's $6. What do you expect? So for $6, I feel like this gives me all the vibes, girl. Like, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond. Y'all, this is literally my favorite. If you can't tell, my face lit up when I saw this online and I saw it in the store. I was like, oh my gosh, it's coming home with me. But yeah, so cute. It's that bejeweled fabric. Absolutely everything I wanted. Let me see if it'll zoom in. The corners here don't look the best. I don't think it's gonna pick up on camera, but if you're crafty, you can just buy a black headband and do like buy a net and kind of glue this on yourself. I'm not that crafty, so I was like, girl, let me just go ahead and buy this. Because I imagine there's plenty DIY of how to make these bejeweled headbands, but for $6 you can save your time and your coin. So again, this is from the little girl section, More Than Magic, and let me show you how, see, they're literally basically the same size, if you can see. So the little girl one is not that much smaller, and I consider myself to have an average to larger size head because just the thickness of my own hair. But if it fits on this wig with my hair braided up under here, sis, I think if you have a little head, it'll still fit you and it won't be too big. So I think this fits little girls, grown women, you know, men's. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in my next one. I hope your heart is well, I hope your mind is well, and I hope you are well. Catch you guys in my next one. I love ya. Bye.